Hi, it's Tiltco here, ready to share another leadership insight in 90 seconds or less. I'm sure many of you will agree that communicating with team members matters more than ever before. And I know at times it can feel a bit tricky to figure out how to connect and engage meaningfully when we're all working remotely. That said, I've had several leaders say that they're actually using technology in order to increase the frequency, change the tone, and amp up the voice in which they are talking to their team members. 3 ideas that I heard recently that I absolutely loved and wanted to share. The first was the virtual pop-by. In this scenario, there's an agreed set of office hours where team members are expected to be available through remote chat and video. And then they are all encouraged to recreate the shared elevator ride, the water cooler, the pass by the hall, by dropping in on each other and just checking in on how things are going, either socially, or seeing if support is required from a professional or work perspective. The second one is more frequent standing all hands. This allows for people to address uncertainty or questions that are on team members' minds by having a regularly scheduled cadence of these conversations. I've seen some leaders actually have these as regularly as once a week. And they've commented that in years past they would have spent weeks and weeks planning and they had copious amounts of slides, but they're taking a more casual perspective to this, simply sharing what's been on their mind, what decisions have been made, and leaving lots of time for questions and answers. And the third, if you have a special event, an occasion, or if you feel like the team needs a bit of a boost, being a bit retro and actually sending some physical something to create some connection. I've seen some wonderful examples of books or funny toys or food that has been shared. From my own personal perspective though, I would tell you to make sure you've left lots of time for processing. There you go, 3 ideas. I hope you find those interesting and potentially try something different with your teams this week. And I would absolutely love to hear any ideas that you've been using, and you can share those in your LinkedIn comments below.